Introducing the Poco C61, a smartphone from the Poco brand featuring an octa-core processor. Unleash the power of 4 GB RAM and Android 14 on this smartphone. Fuel your adventures with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Stay connected with 4G ready and dual nano SIM capabilities, while 4 GB storage keeps your data secure. Unlock convenience with the side fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Capture stunning photos with the 64MP rear camera and 8MP front camera of the smartphone. Feast your eyes on a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display that delivers full HD+ resolution. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinion to guide your decision-making process. For further